How to find your Bank of America account and routing number. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Bank of America application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in using your login credentials. Now, tap on your account option and further tap on the details option you see there. And now in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view your routing number and your account number right there. And if you want to see your account number and your routing number in your website, then go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for bankofamerica.com and log yourself in. Further, tap on the account option and then select information and services option. Here you will see both the routing number and your account number listed. So this is how you can find your Bank of America account and routing number. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.